If you run a business or manage a team, you already know this. Communication can make or break your operations. And I'm not just talking about emails or meetings. I'm talking about the day-to-day clarity, feedback, and follow through that keep your people aligned and your business moving forward. Here's where most companies struggle. They assume people know exactly what's expected, they assume instructions were understood, and they assume silence means everything's okay. But the truth, most miscommunication isn't about what was said, it's about what wasn't said clearly. We see it all the time in staffing and workforce management. A supervisor says, make sure this is labeled before shipping. An employee thinks they mean only the big boxes. The result? Delays, rework, frustrated customers, not because someone didn't care, but because the message wasn't clear. Poor communication costs more than we realize. Increased turnover because employees feel unsupported, more accidents because safety instructions were misunderstood, slower onboarding because training wasn't clear, lower morale because no one feels heard, and if you have a bilingual workforce, that adds a whole new layer. Language barriers can make even the best systems fall apart if you're not addressing them. You don't need a complicated system to fix communication. What you need is structure, consistency, and support. Here's where we tell our clients to start. Number 1, standardize messaging. Use the same language and delivery method for key updates. Don't leave it up to chance. Number 2, use bilingual support. At Voyage, we support bilingual on-site leads and recruiters who make sure everyone understands what's expected. Number 3, train your leads and supervisors. Good leaders are also good communicators. If they can't give clear direction, you're always playing catch up. Number 4, great feedback loops. Communication isn't one way. Let your team speak up and listen. It's about clarity and connection. Communication builds trust. It reduces accidents. It improves retention. When people understand their role, know what success looks like, and feel comfortable asking questions, they do better. And when you, as a leader, can clearly express expectations and corrections, you lead better. If you're struggling with miscommunication, high turnover, or just too many crossed wires, let's fix it. At Voyage Employer Services, we help employers improve workplace communications through hands-on support, bilingual coordination, and better onboarding systems. Leave a comment below and tell me what communication challenges are you facing in your workplace. Let's talk about it. And when you're ready to take the next step, visit voyage-es.com. Voyage Employer Services, building better workplaces, empowering people.